fairy tale that has a little bit of similarity to Frosty the Snowman. See if you can find the similarities. And you are going to be watching The Tale of the Snowman. Brittany?
Far, far away in northern Russia lies a cold land. In summer, the days are filled with full sunshine. But when old Father Frost passes by, the sun goes to sleep and the earth lies cold and dead all winter long. A woodcutter named Boris and his wife Bobolico lived in an old woods for many years. Still they had each other. The house was as quiet and empty because they longed for more.
I work hard all day chopping wood for the villagers, but I wish there was more to my life.
I work hard all day making warm soup for my cold, hard-working husband and our neighbors. But I wish there was more to my life. I wish I had a daughter. She's as fair as a snowflake.
Boris came home from work, grabbed Bobolico and told her he had a surprise. He took her to the meadow where the children were building a snowman. The whole world looks like it was covered in sugar frosting.
Bobolico, I think we can make a better snowman if we try.
Okay, start with a small snowball and roll and roll and roll until it gets big enough for the body.
Then we'll make a little ball for the head and we'll carve it and whittle it until it takes shape.
As we're gone to pools and pools, just big and hot carrots.
Without knowing it, the children created something different than a snowman. They created a snow maiden, a beautiful snow child. It was too dark to see clearly, so they decided to go home and have cabbage soup for warm up.
As the night grew darker and Boris and Bobolico slept in their cabin, old Father Frost took his nightly spells into bed. Oh, I love the bitter nights that freeze my beard and turn my nose purple. What is this? A beautiful snow child. She is so sparkly. Too bad she is frozen. I wish I could make things come to life instead of making things go dormant in winter. I know someone who can help. Mother Spring, I need you!
So funny.
He called her.
So lovely. Father Frost, it's cold out here. Can't you manage without me for 2 minutes?
I'm gonna.
I'm gonna shiver right out of my skin.
Thank you for coming. I can freeze things perfectly well without you. But I need someone who can bring life.
Well, it's a bit early for that, but what do you want me to bring to life? A tree? A flower?
Nope, it is this snow maiden. If you give her life, she can be our child, the daughter of winter and spring.
What about the 2 humans who made her? They'll be sad if we take her.
All right, they can have her for now. And she will come to us one day soon.
Fine. Mother Spring took a deep breath and blew a warm breeze onto the frozen figure. As the child's eyes began to blink open, the 2 of them walked into the frigid sky. The next morning, Boris and Bobby drank hot chocolate out the porch of their cabin. A fair, shimmering cloud. Boris, that's the snow child we made last night! She is alive! I have a daughter!
But she's only snow and ice. But wait. She really is alive.
Boris and Bobolico did not know, and we're about to find out, is that their snow daughters were still frozen, and that would be a really big problem. They took their daughter into the cabin.
Hard dream become real. Who are you?
Who? Me? I'm Sneggaruchka.
Snegga what?
Sneggaruchka. It means little snow maiden. You know, because we made her out of snow, and now she's ours.
She played with the other two, and they loved how she glittered and sparkled. The children went on sleigh rides and skated.
Sneggaruchka can make it snow by rolling her body and inviting
Sneggaruchka, you are so wonderful. I want to play my flute for you. Do 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 do. Come sit by the fire with me and have some warm soup.
Oh no, I can't. I wouldn't know. My heart is frozen, so I could never be with you.
Darn it.
But nobody should take it. First began to worry. Our daughter is unhappy. Winter is coming to an end, and I do not know what will become of her.
We will show her how wonderful spring can be. We will have the shepherd play spring songs for her. Do, 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 do.
But no matter what they did, Sneggaruchka cried snowflake tears and stayed inside. Winter was ending and she did not know what to do.
I know you're unhappy, but if you dance my flute, maybe your heart will melt and you will learn to love spring.
My heart is melting. I'm warm because you have been kind to me. I can feel the warm spring sun on my skin.
Hey, it's me. Sneggaruchka gets ready to
Hello, Sneggaruchka. You have melted your cold heart and have earned the right to be our daughter.
Hi, what's going on?
Today, winter with Boris and Babalika. Yay! And you can spend spring with me and Father Frost.
Yeah!
And
They all lived happily ever
if you have a puppet, I'd like you to stand in the line in front of the puppet theater, and we'll let them ask you questions.